Yo, what's up everybody? I'm not going to waste your time. We're down here today at Curborough Sprint Circuit, and oh yeah, we're here with the EG6. I'm here with a group of friends with some amazing cars. Let's jump straight into some action. I really wish I'd put window switches in this car because I forgot you have to cover yourself, unfortunately, at these track days. And today we've been blessed with some beautiful weather. Now, let's go for a rip in the Civic. Hell yeah! Wow, so we've just had lunch, man. My goodness me, it's so hot, by the way. Quick note on the car, I need to get the windows working immediately because it's horrible in there. But man, this car, I tell you what, after 5 years, really, I don't really count that Snetterton track day because we had a lot of issues with it, but we're not having any issues today. 5 years without really using this car, 5.5 years, 6 years. When was the last time we used this, man? I forgot how good it was. This is the best car. I love it so much. I love it so much. Low power, incredible handling, great tyres, brilliant brakes, lightweight. What more do you need? You don't need any more. I'm having a great time, and I really want to go out and do a few more laps because we're timing the laps now. So I think we get to find out. But I mean, we can tell because of GoPro footage anyway. But I'm just having a lot of fun. The car's so much fun to play with, man. And there's some amazing cars here that I hope to get on camera for you shortly as well. But let's get back out there, shall we? I'm having too much of a good time, man. This is so sick. Oh, what an amazing little circuit as well. This is better than some real tracks I've done. What's up, guys? No microphones this time round. I didn't realise, but they're timing laps now. I thought we were going to get a little bit. So my first lap I did was, I was first for ages. Al Clark's just gone out to be a bit of a wild boy. I need to open up this door a bit. We're gonna properly try now, then we're gonna check tyre pressures, we're gonna try even harder. But I'm in for this. This is a lot of fun, man. And I've took off everything, so there's gonna be some rattles because I've tied myself in. But it's on now, baby.
That was awesome. First time I flew in anger. So fast out. Chasing you down.
Wow, man, wow. Today has been nothing short of probably the most fun I've had in over a year and a half. I love this little car, man. Everything we've been through, 8.5 years, I think, or 8 years of ownership. I can't even remember. It's been such a blur. Full rebuild. Come here, set brilliant lap times, considering I've done no laps of this track before. 1 minute 34.19 was my best. And I'm very, very, very happy with that compared to some of the other times, some of the other cars that are going around and people that have done the track before. I'm so proud of my little car. I love it so much. And I guarantee you guys out there that are part of the channel, you're going to see so much of this car over the next, well, forever. I'm never selling this. This car will be with me forever. So if you enjoy Civic track content, make sure you subscribe. In between the features and the drift days, there's going to be a hell of a lot of Honda Civic on track, and I love it. And I'm so grateful for the Corolla Brotherhood for letting me come down today. It's been amazing. I've managed to get a feature out of this as well, Lewis's Suzuki Cappuccino. So that will be on the channel very, very soon too. So that's something to definitely subscribe for. And then hopefully we can meet up with some of the other guys here and do features on their cars at some point, because there's some amazing machines here with some amazing stories behind it, which is my favorite part of doing this stuff, is meeting the people behind the cars and everything. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you've enjoyed the footage you've seen. I hope this track day's been good, like for you guys to watch back home. I just really forgot to film and just had the GoPro on and was just having fun. I've just had such a brilliant day. So good, man. I can't wait till the next one now, team. So please make sure you hit subscribe. Leave a big old fat like on the video for the Civic being reliable, baby. We've got a full day out of it and no issues. Oh, I love this little car. Until next time, peace.